Welcome back. This is Mr. Velez here. We did part one, part two, and now we're gonna do part three on this series. This is series number three on some makers. So as always, go to my website. Just Google it, Mr. Velez. This is click here, Mr. Velez Guitar Music. It's gonna take you to my website. Go to Music Tech. Go to Some Maker. This is season one. Some Maker season two. We're gonna go now to season three. So let's now do part B because I like to do a rondo, which is A, B, A, C. We did A for bars for measure. We're gonna do B for measure. So how do you increase the measure? You have to go to the length. We have 4 bars. I'm gonna put 4 more, so it's gonna be 8. Now in this section, see, we have 4 more bars or measure. A measure 5, measure 6, measure 7, measure 8. Let's do something different with the drums, okay? So I'm not gonna use snare in this section. I'm just gonna do basses. This is the beat 1. This is the beat 2. You can see the darker line. See? And do some variation there. So if I do a variation here, let me do it here to be exactly the same. So I'm gonna do something like that. And here and at the end, and let's use snare at the end. Okay, so I'm gonna listen, but the problem is that it's gonna repeat the entire song, but that's okay. That's part B. Sound good. That's good. I like it. So I'm not gonna go crazy with this. I keep it as simple, the better. So we started in A here. So here I'm gonna start another note. How about? Well, the problem is that I was walking up to go to A, so this is gonna be a little tricky. I can go to A, but I already start A, so I don't want to use A again. Let me go to this is gonna be C, D, E, F. So this is F. I'm counting for you. Let's do something. Okay, let's do something that is look like the rhythm that I just did. See, copying the rhythm, and maybe then do some variation here. So I'm gonna do another note, and then do something similar I did here. See, I like patterns in music is so key. And see, this is a new one. This is G, so I haven't used in G. And at the end, I always like to do the walk up. Okay, something like this. Maybe we can put something busy here. Okay, let's listen from the beginning. Hope this makes sense. B. So different, see, section A and section B. I can keep working until it's more perfect, but it's, the idea, you get the idea. The bass don't go crazy because the bass don't go fast. It's more like slow. It's not like the flute. Bass is more like the elephant. It's the bass, the low range, okay? So when you're done, save it. You don't want to lose it. Copy the link. go to your SongMaker, go Google Doc and save it. Now, remember always to put what are you saving. This is drums with bass, A and B section. Okay? And now you have it there. And you can enjoy your song with 4 bars and 4 bar for B. In the next video, we're gonna then copy A and do a C section to finish our song. Thank you so much. Bye.